everyone, it's me, Puppy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are reviewing what month is it? July Ipsy Glambag. And I thought this month I would match my new wig, my eyeshadow, and the bag. So it's kind of like a cotton candy fantasy, if you will. But let's get right into the bag. It is this beautiful pink and blue bag that is very summery. As you can see, it says escape.
There's a way out. There's gotta be a way out.
Look, here's something. Escape. I wonder what that means. It's funny. It's spelled just like the word escape.
And it is like this clear plastic. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can. And it's got just a little tiny airplane charm. I forgot what the word was for a second. But I really like it. It's fun. It smells like childhood. Did you ever use pool noodles? That's what it smells like. It smells like plastic pool noodles. I think those weren't made of plastic, but whatever. Anyways, let's just get right back into the bag. We have our little code, and it says, take a break. We all need a break now, don't we? I mean, we've kind of been on an extended break, but we need a break from this break. And it just gives little tips on how to take a break. There's no info about any of the items in here, so I'm going to have to scour the internet for it. But that's okay. That's what I do. So, first item, let's see, this. And this is a Verb Massage Restore Hydrating Mask. And you know I love a good face mask. So, let's see. Take this plastic off. Smells like a salon. Why does the face mask smell like a salon? I'm trying to get used to my new ring light too. I have a new ring light. And that's why I'm all illuminated right now. But let's see, what is the no parabens, no gluten, no sulfates? I would hope it had no gluten because you're not supposed to eat this stuff. Oh. Well, I'm glad I read that. This is actually not a face mask. It is a hair mask. And it is to hydrate damaged hair, dry hair. I don't have dry hair. My hair is very greasy after a day of not washing it. I could actually use dry shampoo more than I can use this. So, just do. Yeah, the smell should have given it off. It smells like my mom's Paul Mitchell shampoo, actually. But I'm gonna give this to probably my sister because she wants the hair stuff, so she can have the hair stuff. But this is cute. If you have damaged hair, definitely masks are very good for damaged dry hair. Or any hair, really. It just depends. Alright, we're gonna do another little tube. And this is Mud Masky. That's cute. Pore refining, hydrating, anti-aging, brightening, smoothing. This one's actually a face mask. This is down, puppy. This is the face mask. And it, do it on this hand. It's tough to get out. Ooh, it's got little exfoliating beads. Oh. And it smells like dirt. And it looks like dirt. But, you know, never judge a book by its cover. It could be really good. I really do love exfoliating beads. Like, I have horribly dry skin. And I need to exfoliate like 2 times a week. You don't really want to exfoliate that much because every time you exfoliate, you you are taking off the dead skin, but you're also kind of scratching your skin, and that's what makes fine micro wrinkles in the skin. So you definitely don't want to do it more than twice a week, depending. But still, really only twice a week. Next item, I accidentally peeked, is, alright, the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. I know Kat Von D, they switched over to, can't remember the name of it. I'll put it over somewhere on screen. But they switched over. Kat Von D is no longer the head of the line, and now it's something vegan something. But they're still using the old packaging to get rid of it, and then they're going to switch totally over to the new packaging. I know that. So this is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. This is one of, if not the best liners. It is a felt tip, and it is black as the night is. Well, maybe not black as the, I don't know. Why? Maybe it's just because my hand is wet from the mask, but it is black. It dries down really black, really matte, from what I remember. And it's so easy to use. You could do really thin lines, you can make wings to cut, but I love this, and this was my item I picked this month. And Ipsy is now going to this thing where if you get the Ultimate and the Plus, I think the Plus, you could pick 3 of your items now, 3 of the 5, and I don't like that. I like getting mystery items every month. I will pick 1 item, that's fine, but I like the mystery, you know? So I'm just glad I get the regular one. Alrighty, 2 items left. And it is Space Case. We get a lot of Space Case. Space Case. Which is what I'm acting like now. But this is called Space Food, and how much you want to bet? It's an eyeshadow in the most boring neutral brown color, because that's all we get is boring neutrals. So, it is this shiny brown. I do like that it's not matte. I wouldn't say it's a taupe, but let's see. Oh yeah. It is a very browny brown. Like, just a neutral. No, not neutral, it's warm. But it's a shiny brown. Counter for how many times I've said brown so far. But it's nothing special. I'll use it, but probably not that often. And we have 1 item left. Look at that. I got really southern for a second there. That is a beautiful, beautiful plum berry. Is it a gloss or a lipstick? Hotter than Miami. I think that's what it says. Hotter than Miami. But this is a color. This is a color I love. I'm very, very excited. I need to swatch this right now. And it is a gloss, which, it's gorgeous. That is the color. That is definitely a me color. I love that. I wish I didn't have this on so that I could put this on. But the swatch is good. But it's so pretty. Berry colors are my favorite. Well, berries and reds and black. And, you know, blue, green, purple, what have you. I need to get a yellow lipstick. Ugh, yellow. But, and that was by, did I say it? Oh, Beauty for Real. I think I said that, but I could never say it again. Enough. Whatever. But that was my bag for this month. These two are my favorites, the Kat Von D liner and this lipstick, definitely. This is going to my sister. This is probably going in my makeup organizer and never being touched again. I don't know. And this I am going to use tonight. But that was this month for July. Ipsy really smells like. I love that. I don't know. I'm weird. I like skunk smell too and gasoline, so whatever. If you like this, please check out my other videos below. As always, this is Puppy. Bye.